September 26 UPI Tropical Storm Maria was producing gusty winds over the Outer Banks in North Carolina, the National Hurricane Center said Tuesday evening. The NHC's 8 p.m. advisory said the storm had maximum sustained winds of 70 miles per hour and was moving due north at 7 miles per hour. The eye of the tropical storm was about 155 miles southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. On the forecast track, the center of Maria will pass east of the coast of North Carolina during the next day or so, the advisory said. The Hurricane Center said forecasters expect Maria to turn north-northeast Wednesday and east-northeast Thursday. A storm surge warning was issued from Ocracoke Inlet to Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. A tropical storm warning was in effect for Bogue Inlet, North Carolina, north to the Virginia border, and Albemarle and Pamlico Sounds. A storm surge watch was in effect for the North Carolina coast from Cape Lookout to west of Ocracoke Inlet and from north of Cape Hatteras to Duck. Large swells generated by Maria are affecting much of the east coast of the United States, the NHC said. Forecasters said swells were also continuing in Bermuda, the Turks and Caicos Islands, and the Bahamas. Forecasters said they will likely cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions.